Why do 90% of people brush their teeth daily? It's all thanks to the humble toothbrush. Let's start in ancient Egypt, where folks used frayed twigs called chew sticks to clean their teeth. They were onto something, but it wasn't exactly minty fresh. Fast forward to the Tang dynasty in China, where the first bristle toothbrush was born. Made from hog bristles and bamboo handles, it was a real game changer. By the 17th century, Europeans got wind of this nifty tool and started making their own versions. But it wasn't until 1938 that nylon bristles came into play, thanks to DuPont. No more hog hair, yay! Finally, in the 1960s, the electric toothbrush made its debut, revolutionizing dental care forever. Now we have smart toothbrushes that can even track your brushing habits and send data to your phone. From Twigs to tech, the toothbrush has come a long way. So next time you brush, give a little nod to history.